KeepKey wallet versus BitBox02 wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are included in the description. In this video, we'll compare these two wallets based on their features, security, usability, and target audiences to help you decide which one fits your needs best. KeepKey Wallet is a hardware wallet focused on simplicity and security. It supports over 40 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, making it ideal for those with diversified portfolios. Its large screen ensures clear transaction verification, which is especially user-friendly for beginners. KeepKey integrates with Shapeshift for in-wallet crypto swaps, making asset management seamless. However, it lacks mobile connectivity and Bluetooth support, which can limit its flexibility for on-the-go users. The wallet's firmware is open source, enhancing transparency, but requiring careful updates to avoid vulnerabilities. BitBox02 wallet, on the other hand, is a compact and highly secure hardware wallet designed for crypto enthusiasts who value privacy and advanced features. It supports Bitcoin natively, with a separate version available for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. Its minimalist design includes USB-C compatibility and a microSD card for secure backups, making it perfect for tech-savvy users. BitBox02 stands out with its fully open-source software, offering enhanced transparency and customizability. Additionally, it features integrated Tor support and a responsive touch slider for easy navigation. While BitBox02's Bitcoin-only focus limits its multi-asset appeal, its security-first approach and ease of use make it a standout choice for serious Bitcoin holders or Ethereum users. In summary, KeepKey Wallet is a great choice for users seeking straightforward crypto storage for multiple assets and integration with Shapeshift's ecosystem. BitBox02 wallet, however, appeals to privacy-conscious users or those primarily working with Bitcoin or Ethereum, thanks to its advanced features and sleek design. If you're new to crypto and want simplicity, KeepKey might be better. For tech-savvy users prioritizing security and privacy, BitBox02 is the way to go. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know which wallet suits your needs.